this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn $100 per day from Google. So this is going to be step-by-step tutorial how you can take advantage of Google search and make some money from it. So you can scale, for example, this business model from $100 to $200 per day to $300 per day. So it really depends on you how much time you put into this method. So what is this method about? Why is this method good for you? So first thing is you're going to build passive income. So you're going to build your passive income for yourself. Even if you sleep, for example, or you do something different, you're going to make money from this method. Second thing is it is 100% free to do, so you don't need to invest any money. It is free to do this method. Third thing is you can do this method worldwide, and fourth thing is you don't need any skills. So you don't need any crazy skills to make money with this method. So what are we going to do today, guys? Let's jump straight into this method. But before we do it, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that like button. So guys, let's jump straight into this video. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open Google and search for some of the niches plus blogs. So I'm going to show you guys an example how to do it, but we want to talk about what niche you want to be in. So you want to ask yourself, what are the biggest niches out there? So something like weight loss or self-help, or let's say cooking or something like that. So you want to look for niches that you can find some problems and offer solutions. So you don't need to find problems and solutions, you just need to connect people. I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step how to do it, but you want to go with some big niches like, for example, weight loss. So I'm going to show you guys how you can search for these niches. So you want to write here weight loss plus blogs. So you're going to find thousands and thousands of different blogs about how to lose weight. So this is going to make sense a little bit later. So for now, what you want to do is in step 2, when you have found some, let's say, top 100 weight loss blogs, you want to, and this is example how you can search for weight loss blogs, or if you can type here self-help blogs or something like that, whatever you're interested in. So let's say self-help plus blogs. That is how you look for blogs in different niches. So the third thing is you want to save as many links from these blogs as you can. So we are here on top 100 blogs. So here you can see there are 100 blogs about how to lose weight. So let's click on one of these blogs, and you need to sign up for this blog. It doesn't really matter. So let's go with some other website. So let's see this one. So here you can see we're going to copy this blog, and we can open Notepad or whatever you have, and you can paste your link for this blog. So you can do it for this one. And you want to do it like, you want to find, let's say, for example, for start, 20 different blogs. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to use these blogs to make money online. So the next step is you want to sign up for ClickBank. So basically, what is ClickBank? If you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, you already know, but ClickBank is actually a place, affiliate marketplace, where you can find different products and promote them and get huge commissions, like 75% commission on sale up to 90% commission on sale. The reason why you get this high commissions is because you're providing digital products, and there is no shipping fees or distribution fees or making making these product fees. So that is why they offer you guys affiliates a huge commissions. So here we are on ClickBank. To find ClickBank, just go and type in Google search clickbank.com, and it is free to sign up. So just click here, create account, and here you can see you can select your country. You can enter all of your information right here. After that, they're going to ask you guys for banking information. Make sure to enter that correctly, because later on they're going to pay you guys the commissions that you earn from ClickBank. So you want to enter the right information right here. And at the end, you want to enter your account information, where you're going to choose your ClickBank ID that you're going to use to make commissions on ClickBank. So that is how ClickBank is going to know that you have driven the sale, and you're going to get, let's say, 75% on $100 sale. So that would be $75. So the next thing, that when we have sign up for ClickBank, you want to go and click on affiliate marketplace. And I didn't say, if you have any problems signing up to ClickBank, just go and ask support what is the problem. They're going to solve it 100% for you guys, so you don't need to worry about that. So just click here on support, and you can go on affiliate support and ask them any questions that you have. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to click on affiliate marketplace. So we're trying to promote weight loss niche. So you're going to scroll here in categories and look for weight loss. So here you can see health and fitness. We can click on that niche, and we can go with weight loss. So here you can see diets and weight loss. So click on that. So there are tons and tons of different products that you can promote. So here you're going to see an average per sale that you're going to earn. So if you get sale for this product, you're going to earn $38. If you get sale for this product, you're going to get on average $34. For this product, $39. For this product, $44. So it really depends on what kind of commission you're going to get. So here you can see for this product, average commission is 87%. So let's say this product costs $100, you're going to get $87, which is a really huge thing. So here you can see this product right here is a little bit more expensive, but also you're going to get lower commission. So this product right here has even lower commission. Here you can see this one has 79% commission. So you also want to check that out when you're trying to promote ClickBank products. Also, you want to go with a higher gravity than, let's say, 30, because that means that affiliates are getting sales for this product. So that is going to show us that this product actually sells. So if this product actually sells, that means that we are also going to make some commissions from this product that are interested in weight loss. So let's say we're going to promote this product right here. So click on promote, and right here you're going to enter your ClickBank ID that we have created for ourselves, and click on generate. So that is going to generate us affiliate ClickBank link that when we drive traffic, so when people click on our affiliate link, they're actually going to send them to the offer for this product. And if they buy the product, if they actually buy the product, you're going to get a commission. So I think here you can see yes, order now. So I think for this product it is around, I think I forgot, I think it is 75% commission. So here you can see this product costs $37, and if someone buys this product, you're going to get 75% of $37. So that is how basically ClickBank works. So why we have collected that many blogs for weight loss. I'm also going to explain you guys that a little bit later. So now that we have signed up for ClickBank and we have found the right product that we are going to promote, now what we want to do, we can go on Tiny URL. So we have created this affiliate link that is a little bit long, and I think it is actually affiliate link, so you want to make it a little bit shorter. So here you can see this is our shorter affiliate link. You don't need to do it, but I also do it because you don't want to share this affiliate link. It really looks ugly. There are a lot of numbers, there are a lot of letters, so I think it really looks ugly in my opinion. So you want to make it like this. I think this link right here looks much better in my opinion. So you can do it. If you don't want to, it is perfectly fine. You don't need to do this step. So the next thing is we actually need, so I have shown you guys how you can shorten your URL with Tiny URL, and now we need to drive traffic to our affiliate link. So what that means, we need people to click on our affiliate link, see the offer, and if they like the offer on how to lose weight, they're going to buy it. So when you're promoting on the best weight loss blogs, people that come to weight loss blogs are interested in how to lose weight. They're not here to learn how to play some game or how to do some computer stuff. They're here right now to learn how to lose weight. So you're going to try and talk about your product in comment selection right here. So sometimes you're not going to see comment selection right here. You can see it right now, but sometimes the website won't have comment selection. So you just want to move to another website and search for the blogs that actually have comment selection. So you can actually put here, you also want to post some comment around this post. So you don't want just to jump in like you wanted just to share your affiliate link. You want to see what this post is about. I don't want to read it right now, or maybe you can watch some, you can read some of the comments right here and find the top rated comment, and you can say something like, hey, I really enjoyed your post on how to lose weight. I have found this product that helped tons of people to lose weight in 2019. You can check it here, and you can post your affiliate link. So this link, as I said, when someone clicks on this link, you're going to send them to the product, and if they actually like the product, the weight loss product that actually sells like crazy, thousands and thousands of sales per day are getting for this product, and millions of dollars per month are made from this product. So it works 100%, and you want to send as many people as you can to this affiliate link. You can enter here your email address and click on post comment. So here you can see we have posted our first comment. So when someone clicks, as I said, on this affiliate link right here, you're going to send them to the weight loss offer. This is a sales video where they're going to create some presentation for this weight loss product. So if they actually like the product, they're going to buy it and you're going to earn commission. So to earn $100 per day, you need to get, let's say $120 per day. You need to get around 3 sales per day on average. So you want to go with average sales. Here you can see you can earn up to $66 per sale, but on average you're going to earn $38. So let's say you get 3 sales per day, that is $120 per day. And if you get every day 3 sales, imagine just 3 sales, you need 3 people to buy the product. And if you get that every day for 30 days, you would make $3,600 with this simple method. And the most important part is people are going to read these blogs that you have commented in the future. So once you post the comment, that post is still going to get traffic and you're still going to see people clicking on your affiliate link, and maybe you're going to get sales that way. So guys, that would be it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, more detailed videos like this, make sure to press that like button. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button.